Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you if you are facing any sort of terminal issues while running programs inside VS Code of any language. It can be C++, Python, JavaScript. So there is an extension that you can install which allows you to directly run programs inside terminal and you will not face any sort of issues. So we have this simple C++ program I have written right here. Now to run this program directly in the terminal, there is an extension that you can install which is Code Runner. Just go to this search bar, just type Code Runner, the very first extension which comes. It's almost used by 35 million developers. It's a very famous extension developed by Juan Hoon. You can see, click the install button and just automatically the extension will be enabled. And now just open this settings of this extension, and right here by default it will open or directly run the programs directly in the terminal. So by default you don't need to do anything right here. So by default you will see the check mark is there. So the code will be run directly in the terminal, integrated terminal. So now if I try to run this program, it's a simple C++ programs which runs, and it calculates the sum of two numbers. So now to run this, you basically will see a run button. If you click these three dots, and you will see this run or debug. So this button will show run code. As soon as you do this, your program will run and it will ask you to enter the first number and then the second number, and the sum is equal to 20. And you can do this with any language. It can be any JavaScript program as well. So you actually enter two numbers, calculate the sum. So it can be any language. This is the extension that you need to install, Code Runner, and it will fix any terminal issues that you face in VS Code for running any kind of program. So the solution is very simple. Just install this extension and it will fix your problem. And please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.